Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to create this trending Ghibli style, studio style of picture, just like the one you can see on my screen right now. So I'm going to show you how to get started with it, and I'm going to make it very snappy. So the first thing you want to do is to go to ChatGPT, and you're going to tell ChatGPT what you want. So I'm going to come here. So I already have my picture I would love to use for this particular practical. Okay, so I'm going to come here and say, please create studio style for this my picture. So I'm going to paste my picture. You can see that my picture is loading right here. So when it's done loading, I'm just going to send it, and then I wait for it to finish generating the picture for us. Okay. So what I'm going to do, so the thing I noticed with ChatGPT and other application or other AI is that ChatGPT takes time to generate its own image, while other platforms like Grok doesn't take time. Okay, so you can see now the picture is trying to load. So you wait for it to finish loading. If you don't like it, you can ask it to redo it again over and over. So it depends on what you want. Now, mind you, there are different styles. It's not just that the hippie style. So I'm going to get another style, and then once I have seen this particular one, I'll show you how to do another one again. So as you can see on my screen, it has generated this particular one for me. So if I want to go ahead, if I love it, I can say, okay, I'm going to use this. Now you can also do for other ones and say, give me for Pixar. I say do for Pixar, do for Pixar style, and then you also allow it to finish generating it and see what it has for you. So like I said, there are other trending ones like um Lego, there is I think Mangra or something. So there are so many of them, but these are just the few ones that are really trending so well. Okay. So let's see what it has generated for us for this Pixar. So you can see this is the Pixar style of my picture. Okay, so let me download it. I think I'm loving this particular aspect. I love it so much. So there's another one again. Let's try and see. It's called the Simpsons-style, and then I'm going to send it. So it's also going to wait and see what it generates for us. So I think I will have to also retype this Ghibli side. I think I didn't spell it correctly. So after this one has finished generating, I'm going to retype it and see if it's going to make any difference at all. Okay, so you can see this is me in this Simpsons style. This is so funny, right? So that's how to get it. So I'm going to paste this Ghibli style again and see how it looks. So they are going to give me two responses for me to choose from. So let's see how it goes. So as you can see on my screen, guys, you can see now this is for the Ghibli style of my picture. So you can see that there's a bit difference. So I think the first one I didn't spell it correctly, so that's why I didn't come at as the way it is now. So you see the first one. So there are so many styles of them. So maybe in subsequent times I'll be making videos on how to do different versions. So this one is Pixar. You see how real it looks. It looks so real, and I kind of like this one more. So this is for this Simpson. This one makes me look like caricature. So this for the Ghibli style that I did again. So that's how to do any of these particular images using your own personal picture. So another amazing thing I think I noticed with ChatGPT is that ChatGPT can actually help you to readjust yourself, maybe do one or two things, remove your hairband, close your cleavage, or anything at all you want it to do with your particular picture. It can do it for you. All you need is to just give it the right prompt. So maybe in subsequent videos also, I'm going to make a video on how to do that with twists, how to retouch, brighten your pictures using Chat GPT. So share this video so that others will get to see it, and do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Click the like button and also click on notifications so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a new video on this channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now.